Hello, everyone, and welcome to our video on PowerShell script signing. Now, today you may have seen our Windows signings in the past. This is specifically in regards to our PowerShell signing. So what we do is we've already set up our client software, our encryption consulting key storage provider on this demo environment, and we're going to be using SignTool to do the actual signing. So we specify our KSP, our key storage provider here under the CSP flag. We specify the key alias, which in this case is OV code signing cert. We also specify the hashing algorithm to be used, so SHA-256. We specify the path to the certificate that is being used to sign. We specify the timestamping server we're using, so we're using a public one here. We specify our signing algorithm, which in this case is SHA-256 as well. And then we provide the path to the PowerShell script. So if I go ahead and run this here, that's our verbose output, but in reality, all we're looking for here is successfully signed our file. So thank you all for joining today. We look forward to seeing you in our next CodeSign Secure video.